Will Dogecoin ever hit $300? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 0.06736 in this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin, to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Dogecoin? What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin, DOGE, depends on the famous Doge internet image and elements of Shiba Inu on its logo. The open source computerized money was made by Billy Markus from Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. Dogecoin's makers imagined it as a tomfoolery, carefree digital money that would have more noteworthy allure past the cinder Bitcoin crowd, since it depended on a canine image. Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted a few tweets via online entertainment that Dogecoin is his #1 coin. How do you mine Dogecoin? Dogecoin contrasts from Bitcoin's confirmation of work convention in more ways than one of which is by utilizing Scrypt innovation. The altcoin has likewise a block season of 1 moment, and the all-out supply is uncapped, and that intends that there is no restriction to the quantity of Dogecoin that can be mined. You can mine Dogecoin either solo, or by joining a mining pool. A Doge excavator can mine the computerized cache on Windows, Mac or Linux, and with a GPU. Starting around 2014, you can likewise mine Litecoin in a similar course of mining Dogecoin, as the cycles were blended. What can Dogecoin be used for? Dogecoin has been utilized essentially as a tipping framework on Reddit and Twitter to compensate the creation or sharing of value content. You can get tipped Dogecoin by partaking locally that utilizes the computerized money, or you can get your Dogecoin from a Dogecoin spigot. A Dogecoin spigot is a site that will give you a modest quantity of Dogecoin for nothing as a prologue to the cache, so you can start communicating in Dogecoin people group. How might you buy Dogecoin? You can sell or purchase Dogecoin at any trade that offers the computerized cache, store it on a trade or in a Dogecoin wallet, and tip Dogecoin in any networks that acknowledge Dogecoin. For the most recent rundown of trades and exchanging matches for this digital currency, click on our Market Matches tab. Elon Musk and Dogecoin. The outcome of Dogecoin is firmly interwoven with Elon Musk's enthusiasm for it. Musk started tweeting about Dogecoin in mid-2021, sharing a Lion King Doge image. That launched an enraged Doge rally, with brief dunks, that finished in Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live. After the SNL appearance, Doge crashed in spite of Musk's vows to moon its cost. Before very long, Musk appeared to lose interest, and the cost of Doge has tumbled more than 70% from its untouched high. Notwithstanding, Musk actually yields control over Dogecoin, as incidental tweets show. Dogecoin Foundation and Board of Advisors. In 2014, a not revenue-driven establishment was framed by individuals from the Dogecoin group to offer help, promotion, brand name security and administration for the digital currency project. Be that as it may, the establishment was broken up over the long haul. Following quite a long while of being idle, the establishment was relaunched in 2021 with a recharged center around supporting the Dogecoin ecosystem, people group and advancing the eventual fate of the Dogecoin blockchain. Notwithstanding a portion of the first center group, the undertaking currently has some carefully prepared industry players as a component of its leading body of guides. As per the establishment's site, individuals from the board will meet month to month to examine issues connecting with Dogecoin. With respect to its counselors, the gathering is comprised of Dogecoin organizer Billy Markus, the Task Center engineer Max Keller, Ethereum pioneer Vitalik Buterin, and Elon Musk as addressed by the top of the Musk's family office, Jared Birchall. Individuals from the board of advisors will work in different limits. While Keller will act as the task's specialized counselor, Markus will be accountable for the local area and images. In the meantime, Buterin will work as the blockchain and crypto counselor for the establishment, and Birchall will address Elon Musk as legitimate and monetary guide. As a first task, the board of advisors will be attempting to get 3-year subsidizing that would permit it to utilize a little, devoted staff to deal with Dogecoin all day. As of recently, the work on the biological system has been finished by volunteers. Dogecoin, DOGE, couldn't summon sufficient strength on Saturday as the breakdown of Elon Musk's Twitter obtaining squashed expects the standard acknowledgement of the coin. After the revelation, the cost of the biggest meme coin on the planet diminished by multiple %. Lately, the symbolic seems to respond less firmly to Musk's virtual entertainment remarks, blusters included. Musk dropped his $44 billion intent to assume control over Twitter on Friday, charging that the web-based entertainment organization is giving misdirecting statements about how much fake records, as per an administrative documenting. Recently, the very rich person proposed buying Twitter for nearly $43 billion. After Musk indicated a potential joining of Dogecoin into Twitter, Doge appreciated. Dogecoin needs Musk tweet to rise. The symbolic's fame is part of the way down to the world's most extravagant man's continuous support and advancement of it via online entertainment, which contributed essentially to the cryptographic money's brilliant ascent. As per a new examination, looks for Dogecoin flooded in 2019 and 2020 after Musk tweeted about it. Doge had acquired approximately 30% when Twitter's board gave the go-ahead to the Tesla CEO's buyout proposition. Be that as it may, it has since quickly turned around those advances. Twitter stock price drops after the news. In the nighttime market, Twitter stock cost diminished by 6% to $34.58. This is 35% not exactly the $54.20 per share value Musk consented to pay for the web-based entertainment Goliath in April. Following the end chime on Friday, Twitter's stock value dropped to its least level since March. When the news came, Brett Taylor, the executive of Twitter's top managerial staff, took steps to record a claim versus Musk to implement the provisions of the buyout understanding. Dogecoin still seen jumping this month. In the meantime, notwithstanding Doge faltering from the result of the Twitter-Musk bargain, a few examiners are still exceptionally hopeful about its future. For example, this month, the cost of Doge could approach 12 cents. At present, the coin is selling at $0.0699, an increment of 5.5% over the course of the last week, information from CoinGecko show, Saturday. Brokers educated with the popular image coin will concur that it is prominent for abrupt floods and FOMO-actuated craze. As indicated by specialized investigation, the Doge cost will go up, despite the fact that it is challenging to decide whether a base has been reached. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community. Subscribe and don't forget to give this video a like.